Traditional drilling methods struggle as wells enter narrower operational windows, HPHT formations, deeper sections, and rising costs. This accelerates the adoption of automation-enabled approaches such as MPD and UBD, where pressure must be precisely controlled every second.
Actually, most conventional surface BOP and RCD systems still rely on hydraulic-powered systems. The slower actuator and frequent manual intervention expose crews to the risks and can cause NPTs. That's why Vertechs iRCD intelligent rotating control device was engineered to automate wellhead sealing and replace hydraulic actuation with precise electric control. iRCD features a fully electric drive with automated seal engagement, eliminating leakage concerns, environment pollution, and reducing maintenance requirement by more than 45%. Its non-decoupled architecture keeps the seal fully engaged, while rotating, delivering continuous sealing up to 5,000 psi in static and 2,500 psi dynamic, as per well site standards. The device passed over 200 hours of rotational pressure testing by 10 MPa and 103 RPMs, exceeding API standard. Installation and changeout are about 6% faster, requiring up to 50% fewer members of installation.
Built upon iRCD, iRCD Pro takes a major step further by integrating the MPD choke manifold directly at the RCD and transitioning from traditional surface back pressure control to wellhead back pressure control.
The design reduces the footprint to under 4 square meters, remove hydraulic infrastructure, and maintains plus or minus 50 psi accuracy. Faster translation and fewer components make pressure control simpler, cleaner, and more efficient. Remote operation keeps crew away from high-risk zones, and automation enables easily consistent mitigation of pressure events. The workflow shifts from reactive correction to proactive stability, positioning the wellhead as a control center for modern drilling. As a compact, intelligent, MPD integrated solution, iRCD Pro reduces risk, saves time and cost, and ensures consistent performance across complex wells. Intelligent pressure control begins at wellhead. The iRCD Pro is engineered for the wells of tomorrow, unlocking a smarter path towards MPD rigs and establishing WBP control as the cornerstone of future well construction.